If you can draw 2 circles, you can paint these bright cherries. Paint both circles light pink, leaving small white oval highlights at the top. Using pink, add curved shadow strokes to the lower right side of each cherry, then paint a few small dots above those white ovals. Use a darker pink to add a little more depth to the shadows. With light green, paint the stems using curved lines. Then use the same color to paint a leaf. With a darker green, add a light outline and a few veins to the leaf. Done! You've painted a pair of bright, juicy cherries.